Hello, everyone! In today's video, you will learn daily use English hand-action verbs. These verbs help you talk about actions you do every day with your hands. Listen carefully, repeat after me, and practice the examples. Let's start learning English together. Hold.
Hold.
I hold the book in my hand. Grab.
Grab.
She grabs her water bottle. Touch.
Touch.
I touch the screen. Wave.
Wave.
They wave to their friend. Clap.
Clap.
The children clap loudly. Point.
Point.
She points at the board. Throw.
Throw.
He throws the ball. Catch.
Catch.
I catch the paper. Pull.
Pull.
She pulls the door open. Push.
Push.
He pushes the box. Carry.
Carry.
She carries the books. Shake.
Shake.
They shake hands. Write.
Write.
He writes with his hand. Cut.
Cut.
She cuts the paper with scissors. Open.
Open.
He opens the jar. Close.
Close.
I close the lid. Fold.
Fold.
She folds the clothes. Scratch.
Scratch.
I scratch my hand. Break.
Break.
He breaks the stick. Fix.
Fix.
She fixes the toy with her hands. Roll.
Roll.
I roll the clay in my hands. Great job, everyone! Now you know 25 hand-action verbs with easy examples. Try to use these verbs in your daily English speaking. If you liked this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next English lesson. Thank you for watching.